Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the laptop is awake and stable. Plug it in or verify battery life so adjustments persist. Find the dedicated brightness keys, often FN plus a sun icon, or open the quick settings on Windows or the control center on Mac. Once you've closed full screen apps that override settings, disable adaptive brightness in power settings so manual changes behave predictably. This prevents automatic dimming while you set a comfortable level. You now perform the adjustments. Try short taps on the FN plus brightness keys for stepwise changes. This gives you precise control. If you prefer a slider, open Windows Action Center or Mac Control Center and drag to the exact level you want. Make sure to check your display profile and power plan, set brighter for plugged-in use and lower for battery to save power. Once the chosen level feels right, give your eyes a moment to adapt and confirm comfort. Finish by saving any power plan changes and deciding whether adaptive brightness should stay on. This balances convenience against consistency. If the keys or slider don't respond, update your graphics drivers and restart the laptop. Many control issues clear after a driver refresh. Make sure the OS display adapter is enabled. If the screen still won't brighten, test an external monitor to isolate a backlight or hardware key failure. If confirmed, contact repair or service for a hardware fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.